How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can send to printer in Elegoo Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're finished with your model. And basically from here, it's as simple as clicking the slice option, which will then slice or apply the changes that we have made onto our model. So just wait for this to finish. Now it can depend whether how big your model is. So in my case, it's already done. So we can see right here. And then to simply send this to your printer, basically there's two ways. You can click on the drop down menu above or at any corner of your screen. From here, you have something like send button, which makes us send the plate onto our printer. In here, you could simply select your printer and basically from there, you're good to go. Another thing that you can do is to simply click on the print plate option. From here, you will be able to select your printer and that's about it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.